Taylor Show 90 and welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm going to be doing a video and showing you guys some big fireworks. So, I'm going to get ready and do it. We're just letting firecrackers, well, not firecrackers. We're getting a big one now. Ready, set, I'm going to go ahead and record it. Watch this. Woo! That's loud. That's loud.
There's something flew down.
I'm gonna put a bottle rocket off. Watch this.
Eric.
There's the back of it.
Eric.
I'm gonna put a bottle rocket off.
Eric. Eric.
So I'm putting a bottle rocket off. Here it goes.
Where?
Somewhere up in there. There it was. It's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who's that? Oh, you know?
Now we're gonna put another one off. We're probably gonna put another one off.
Trenny, you like to live on the dangerous side of life, don't you?
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Watch Keith.
I don't. That one's just right in front of us.
Well, jeez, coming.
Okay, here it goes.
Hear that?
God, the people in Virginia heard that.
There we go.
My head hurt.
Probably gonna. Yeah, we're gonna put another. That's the moon. Oh wait, no, it's not. I don't know where that went.
Keith's gonna come up against my finger here.
Right here. It goes. Oh my gosh. I'm just out here. So loud. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put another one up. Let's see. Get me another bottle rocket.
Yeah.
Cha-ching.
It might be done with the party.
Oh, yeah, by now they should.
There's somebody coming up the road.
It won't.
I'll put it in a moment.
They're back your way.
We're putting another one off. Well, I'm going to put me one off.
Clay mortars off. Here, after
Watch
a while,
this.
let her get a little bit darker.
Yeah, we're just test firing them.
Here it goes.
Yeah.
Who's yelling?
Awesome. And it goes over this way.
He's afraid of fireworks.
It just went over that way.
Probably.
Oh, well, we're putting a Roman candle. We got a Roman candle. Look at this thing.
No!
That thing's... All you see is it falling.
See what happens.
Are they?
That's all you see is just it falling.
Might be Dr. Cullen.
Let's see.
Just hold it close.
No. You can put it in there.
Keith's got her jammed.
Oh, yeah. Now we can...
Where these are going to go?
Trenny, no.
Woo! Look at this. Is that it?
Shots, isn't it?
That's a Roman candle. Roman candle.
6 or 8 shots. 5.
Why is the Roman candle just going off?
Cheapskates only give us.
I'm gonna put me
Hey,
a
now watch Cheapskate.
another one.
Do good, good.
These.
You still there?
Then we got motors. We got these.
I'm not, Mom. I'm standing here.
Right there. Red Devil. I love those.
Trenny, don't put anything on. Trenny, wait.
There's my bottle.
Run, Keith.
Here, just listen to this. I'll put you on speaker.
Awesome.
Oh, that's going to get one.
Now that was
That
cool.
was a loud one, wasn't it?
Oh, there's my bottle.
They're cutting off those clay mortars.
There's that bottle I was looking for. Things.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You can let it off.
Trenny.
I know.
Here goes.
Trenny, no. Trenny, I wish you could.
And there it is.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
It's been 4 minutes. I think we're just gonna let them all off. There it goes. Ready, set, watch.
You better watch. You'll catch the rest of them on fire if you don't watch.
There went 2. Oh my god.
They can go.
That's smoke.
No,
I'm sorry. I just zoomed in. Just zoom in. Just keep watching in the sky. You'll see everything. Oh wait, there goes 2 again. Oh wow.
Good Lord. Yeah, it's smoky.
Bucket's way warmer.
Yeah, guarantee you.
Get me another
You
one
didn't have nothing for the
of these.
Wow. Odd. I'll bet you had pizza and Chinese.
There we go.
Yeah, but didn't you?
So we're getting another one ready. That one was just right in front of me. That was just stupidness.
Seriously, I had to go at 11:30. That's the reason I did. Text you back and I go to 5. I knew it's pretty loud.
There we go. We're gonna let another. This one's mine.
There's bottle rockets.
There it is.
I was supposed to be in there. Richard called me and he
We're gonna let another.
So she just got back from camp.
But you can keep watching.
Yeah. And asked me if I wanted macaroni and cheese, and I was asleep. I fell asleep. And then about 10 minutes later, she said, "Hey Eric, do you want macaroni and cheese?" I said,
Okay, that one just randomly popped. Crap there.
you know. Then she come back to the camp.
Burger.
Said, "Well, do you want me to order pizza?"
Just no. Let me bug.
I said, "Go to the house and get something."
Shut you should see it. No, no.
And she's like, "Are you sure?" And I was like, "Yeah."
We're gonna put more off.
Then brought me
Chicken. Looking at it. Oh, there's some light. Watch, watch. Oh, there we go. Whoa, whoa. Holy crap, where did that go? Who loves this? Who loves this YouTube mode? YouTube mode. Let me light it. Let me light it.
Go ahead.
So I'm putting this on YouTube anyway. There we go. We're gonna light both of them off. Oh my god. Oh my. Where did it go? It evaporated.
Uh-oh.
It evaporated. So. Huh? Wait. Here we go again. It's gonna be over there again.
Yeah.
You see my arm? Yeah, you see my arm. You see it. You see it, my arm. YouTube.
Jossie left TV on over there.
I'm putting this on YouTube.
I feel sprinkles of rain. Yeah, that's what
Is it raining?
Run, Keith.
That was awesome. That was awesome. Let's put more of these off again. Bottle rockets.
Eric eating pizza and yeah.
After that,
I don't know if you can see me, but oh, you should have. You'll be able to see me.
Trinity, that's backwards.
Oh well, it just went back this way. I just went back this way. Let me show you what way. It went up this way. That way.
yeah.
Oh wait, we're getting ready. Another one. Oh.
Both of them win.
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh wait.
I think this rain holds up. Yeah,
There we go. Oh my.
You know something, Ed.
What?
Where'd it go? We're just gonna go over here, camp in this light, and talk. Now, I don't know if you can see my face right now, but you might be seeing a lot lighter in there. But these fireworks just goes off like crazy. Ah, firecrackers. You just seen the video today of firecrackers, right? Maybe like, when did that all go off at one time? There is a string on that, and it has the fuse. So, yeah.
There you go. Trini. Daddy's putting something off.
Oh, we're getting ready to put another mortar off.
That was loud. Yeah. Ain't that what they're putting off here?
I'm doing it. I'm gonna do YouTube.
Run it.
I'm doing YouTube video. Wait, ready. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh crap, I'm just zooming in.
They didn't get a half stick down like play the crick out. Lightning bugs is out, aren't they?
Watch this.
Last year. Yeah.
No.
Line that looked like chaser lights.
Where'd it go?
With about your
What?
size 10,000
Up there.
of them about 2 o'clock in the morning. Later
It
it gets more and more they come out. Yep.
went up that way, so
No, that night
I don't know why.
it was
Just look at the dark.
cool, you know.
Just watch the lightning. Oh, wait, we're putting a Roman candle off. Watch this. Hey, watch this. Watch this, YouTube. It's wow. I hope you're enjoying this video by now, right now. If you're not enjoying it, then but go ahead and subscribe.
Yeah.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button. You should know it's Headless Space Germany. I'm not even showing my face in it.
Small guy in there.
Smoke?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put one off too.
Live about 10 years.
I know where I normally put mine off.
51 and 74. Oh my God. Just on that little bit of stuff. Probably.
Watch.
He's an old guy.
Watch this. Oh! Where did that go? That
Oh
went.
man. No.
Or put two off. I didn't even see it.
Is it sprinkling? Yeah, it's raining. We should quit. Yeah, it's.
I'll put some more off. This is a bottle.
No, me either.
This is a road.
No.
It's so smoky out. I don't know if you can see it. Right there, there's smoke. Wait, no firecracker. I'm not going to end this video until like 20 minutes probably. This is going to be a day in the life. A day in the life of fireworks.
Your phone has to move so I can film this.
I'm filming.
Move!
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Your ASS or I'm gonna kick it.
Hey, YouTube can't hear this.
I don't care.
Hope you guys saw it.
They return fire back at you.
We've been putting this in a bottle, so this bottle don't look pretty now.
It's raining a little bit more.
Oh yeah. Is it on? Starting to pick up a little bit more. Huh? Hey, you already got your Jeep open?
Where'd it go? Oh wait, it went. Whoa. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed it here, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.